Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class of standard 6. Okay, in this exercise 8.1, now question number 5. Up to 4, it's completed. Write the following decimals as fraction. Reduce the fractions to lowest terms. Decimals are given, you have to convert this decimals into the fraction. 0.6. So you have to remove this decimal point. Here you can see after the point one digit is given. So in the denominator it will be 10. Okay, 6 upon 10. You can see here. Now 6 upon 10, solve it out. 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So it's a 3 upon 5. What is the answer? 3 upon 5. Second one, 2.5. 2.5 after the digit there is after the decimal point there is a one digit. Then it's in the denominator you have to put 10. If after the decimal point there are two digits this way, then in the denominator you have to put 100. If three digits are there, then 1000. Okay, this is the rule. Here 10. Solve it out. 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. So it's a 5 upon 2. Same way you have to solve all the examples. It's very easy. Remaining examples are in the homework. Question number 6. Express the following as centimeter using decimals. First of all, you have to convert mm to cm. Okay, millimeter to centimeter. So here you can remember one thing. Instead of writing all these things, you can do one thing. Divide this 2 or whatever question by 10. Let's see in all examples. It's the same. Here 2 is there. So 2 divided by 10. Here 30 is there. 30 divided by 10. 116 divided by 10. Here 4 centimeter is given, so as it is. Here 2 mm given, so 2 by 10. 162 divided by 10, 83 divided by 10. But why we have to divide it by 10? Because 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That's why. Okay. And after dividing by 10, here this unit you have to put centimeter, not mm. Okay. So 2 upon 10, it's a 0.2. 30 upon 3. 30 upon 10, it's a 3 centimeter. 116 by 10, it's 11.6. Here 4 plus 2 upon 10. So it's a 4 plus 0.2. So it's a 4.2 centimeter. Here 16.2 centimeter and here 8.3 centimeter. It's easy. Question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given line? Which of these whole numbers is nearer the number? First one 0.8. Between which two numbers it lies 0.8? Between 0 to 1. Because 0, then after it comes 0.1, then 0.2 and so on. So 0, 0.1. Okay. Some numbers are there between, then 0.8, 0.9 and then not 0.10, it's a 1. Okay. So what is the answer? From 0 to 1. Between 0 and 1. And 0.8 is nearest to 1 because 0.8, then 0.9 and 1. two numbers after there is a 1. That's why it is nearest to 1. Second one, 5.1. It's very obvious between 5 and 6. And 5.1 is nearest to 5. 2.6. Between 2 and 3 and nearest to 3. Because 2 and here 3. Exactly in the middle there is a 2.5. So 2.6 comes between 2.5 and 3. Okay, so it's a nearest to 3. 6.4 between 6 and 7, from 6 to 7, and that is nearest to 6. 9.1 from 9 to 10 and nearest to 9. 4.9 from 4 to 5 and nearest to 5. Show the following numbers on the number line. So here is a number line. First of all, draw the number line and divide these numbers into 10 equal parts. This numbers means 0 to 1. This part you have to divide into 10 equal parts, because as I have told, 0, then 0 0.1, 0 0.2, then it's 0 0.3 up to 1. Okay, and here decimal numbers are given. That's why we have to divide this numbers, this portion, into 10 equal parts. Now where it comes 0 0.2, from 0 to 1, it comes between 0 and 1. Let's count. Here it's a 0, then here this is the 0 0.1, and this one is the 0 0.2. Okay, next 1.9. Where is the 1.9? It's between 1 and 2. Here is the 1, then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 7, 8 and 9. So here it's a 1.9. 1.1, right after the 1, it is a 1.1. Then 2.5, between 2 and 3. Okay. Next, question number 9. Write the decimal number represented by the points ABCD on the given number line. Here is the number line and points are given. Okay. You have to write the decimal number represented by these points. Here it's a 0. Here it's a A. So this A represents 0 0.8. Why and how? Let's see. 0, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. Okay. Then B, it's a 1, then 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. Okay. C, 2, 2.1, 2.2. Here it's a 2.2. D, here C and between 2, between 2 and 3 there is a D. So this is a 2.9. Okay, now this remaining questions we will see. Okay, last 10th one remains. Then after we can start 8 points. So let's finish it. Question number 10. The length of Ramesh notebook is 9 cm and 5 mm. What will be its length in centimeter? The length of a young gram plant is 65 mm. Express its length in centimeter. Two examples are given. The first one notebook and its length is given. You have to find out its length in centimeter. It means you have to convert into centimeter. 9 cm to and 5 mm. So 9 cm as it is, because it's already in the centimeter. And I have told from mm to cm. If you want to convert, then divide it by 10. So it's a 5 upon 10. So here 9 plus 0.5. Add them. So it will be 9.5 centimeter and 65 mm. Convert into centimeter. So divide by 10. So it's a 6.5 centimeter. It's very easy. Now from the next lecture we will start 8.2. Thank you.